Want to start a YouTube channel in 2025? Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Choose your niche. First, pick a niche that you're passionate about. This is crucial because consistency is key and it'll keep you motivated. Whether it's gaming, cooking, or tech, focus on what you love. Step 2. Set up your channel next. Create a Google account, then head to YouTube and set up your channel. Keep your name simple and relevant to your niche. Add a profile pic and channel art to make it stand out. Step 3. Optimize your channel now. Optimize for search. Use keywords in your channel description and video tags. Make sure your content is discoverable by adding relevant terms. This will help people find your channel. Step 4. Create content. Start creating videos. Keep your content focused and valuable. Try to make your first few videos short, like this one, 1 to 2 minutes, so you don't overwhelm yourself. Quality over quantity, but consistency matters. Step 5. Promote and engage. Promote your videos on social media and engage with your viewers in the comments. This builds a community and helps your channel grow faster. That's it. Starting a YouTube channel in 2025 is simple with these steps. Get started today, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips.